The F3 error code from a higher inverter AC indicates a problem with its printed circuit board PCB. This issue can arise due to a loose PCB wire connection or low power flow from the PCB to the Intelligent Power Module (IPM). To resolve the F3 error, it is essential to address these potential causes. Firstly, fixing the wire connection is crucial. This involves opening the top panel of the outdoor unit, locating the PCB, and verifying that the wires between the PCB and its module are securely connected and properly seated. If the connections are loose, reconnecting them can resolve the issue. Additionally, checking the power voltage between the PCB and IPM is necessary. This requires dismantling the top of the AC, identifying the IPM next to the PCB, removing the PCB from the unit, and inspecting the blue and black connectors for damage. The black and blue cables between the PCB and IPM should be tested with a multimeter to ensure they register the expected voltage readings of 5 volts and 15 volts. If the readings are incorrect, replacing the cables can resolve the issue.